David.
Hi.
I have a question for you.
All right.
Why do we need to be consistent in doing something? Is that
Ah,
important for us,
okay.
especially for the youngsters?
It's very, very, very important. All right. But before that, let me tell you why majority of the youngsters or maybe people are struggling with consistency. First of all, they are actually no patience. They have no directions. They are lacking of focus, and they do not have a proper habits. And the final one is actually because of the mindsets. Okay, their mindset is not preset properly. So these are the one that actually cause most of them do not have the consistency. Now, why is it important? Consistency in your life or your journey to be a successful I would say that people in your life is because path to journey, right? The path to a successful journey in your life, a ways full of challenges, a ways full of struggles, a ways full of hurdles. Okay, it never be a smooth journey. All right, it never be. Okay, you can try to ask anyone who are actually successful. They have a life experience which are basically, struggling. Okay, now there are two types of struggles that you need to go through first. First of all, is your internal struggles. What is internal struggles? The internal struggle basically is you yourself that you're going to struggle because when you put so much effort, put so much time, hard work, everything into your, the goal that you want to achieve, but the result yet come and you feel like giving up. So these are the first struggle. The second struggle is the external. Who are the external? These people are the bad influences. It can be your friends, it can be your family members, it can be anyone outsider who are actually going against you. They will influence you saying that you should give up, your hard work is not going to be successful, your venture, your goal, all not going to be successful, right? So yeah, all the negative things you're going to face it, right? No matter how is it, they're going to tell you all the bad things. So having said that, going through your struggles internally and externally, these are the two things that you need to go through before you become successful. How? Consistency. That's very, very important. The only way to handle, to overcome these struggles is consistency. No matter what people say, no matter what you're doing, the results will come. It's just a matter of time. All right? So I
Right.
hope you understand why consistency is very important in determining your success in your life itself, right?
Alright, thank you. Thank you, Teacher David, for the explanation. And stay tuned to our Wealth Architect to You YouTube channel and also our social media platform. Thanks, bye.
Bye.